Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about alkaloids. So, alkaloids, first we will discuss introductions, general physical properties, general chemical properties, action of acids and alkalis. So term alkaloids, alkali-like. What is the definition? They are basic, nitrogenous compounds of plant origin having complex molecular structure and marked pharmacological activities on man or animal. So friend, this one is clear for you. Definitions of alkaloids. Note, many widely distributed bases of plant origin are not classified as alkaloid, but they are classified as biological amines or proto-alkaloids such as methylamine is not alkaloid, cholines, trimethylamine and betaine. Now example of typical alkaloids, we call it morphine. This is the structure of morphine. Basic nitrogen is in heterocyclic ring. Look at here. Complex from plant origin and has marked pharmacological activity. Exception of alkaloids, colchicine. Look at here, colchicine. It is not basic and its nitrogen atom is not incorporated in a heterocyclic ring. This nitrogen is not present in heterocyclic ring, but classified as alkaloids because of its pharmacological activity and limited distributions in the plant world. Now, general physical properties. Alkaloids may occur either as free base or salt with acid. This RnH2 is the free base soluble in organic solvent, and salt with acid, salt soluble in water. Now alkaloids base, alkaloid salt, soluble in organic solvents, insoluble or sparingly soluble in water. Exceptions: bases insoluble or sparingly soluble in organic solvent, ether. Bases soluble in water. Morphine, pilocarpine, narcine. Insoluble, solubility. Caffeine, pilocarpine, colchicine, soluble in acidic, neutral or alkaline water. Berberine, alkaloid bases. So these are alkaloid bases. Now alkaloid salt, insoluble or sparingly soluble in organic solvent, less soluble in alcohol, soluble in water. Exception: salt dissolved in organic solvent, chloroform, salt less or sparingly soluble in water. Lobeline, HCl, strychnine, nitrate, quinine, SO4. So, friend, alkaloid base and alkaloid salt, I think it is clear for you. Now, general chemical properties. A precipitation by certain reagents, and second, color reactions with certain reagents. A precipitation by certain reagents, many alkaloids in small quantities may form TPT or turbidity with certain reagents. Negative response, no precipitate or turbidity. Absence of alkaloids. Positive response, that is PPT or turbidity, may or may not be due to alkaloid need conformations. Example, protein, ammonium salt may give positive response to these reagents. Now friend, common precipitation reagents. Mayer reagents, potassium mercuric iodide solution KHgI3 in acidic pH. Precipitate all alkaloids except purine base alkaloids, caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, colchicine, methyl ergometrine, and dilute ephedrine. Concentrated ephedrine produces precipitate. Some alkaloids need care, drops of reagent, as excess reagent may dissolve PPT, gives false negative, atropine, pilocarpine. So, Wegener reagent, potassium triiodide, Ki plus I2, Ki3. Crott reagent, potassium bismuth iodide. Marms reagent, potassium cadmium iodide. Hager's reagent, saturated solution of picric acid. Merceric colloids, 1% HgCl2, drops of HCl. Gold chloride, 1% AuCl2. Platinic chloride, 1% PtCl2. Tannic acid solution, most alkaloid precipitate by tannin. Neutral solution is recommended. So mechanism for precipitation of alkaloids. Through formation of insoluble complex additive compounds, Mayer's, Marmies and Crott's reagents. Through halogenation, in which high molecular weight compound of low solubility are formed, giving precipitate, Wegener's reagent. Further, through formation of salt that precipitate from their solution, picric acid, Hager's reagents. Through combination with high molecular weight oxygenated acid, formation of insoluble salt in oxygenated form. What is the principle? A specific alkaloid plus a specific reagent give a specific crystal tested under microscope. Why do crystal form? Alkaloid form double salts with compounds of mercury, gold, platinum, and other heavy metals in reagents. The double salts are usually obtained as precipitate, and many of them are microcrystallographically characteristic. Color reactions with certain reagents. Color reagents are very sensitive. They depend on dehydrations or oxidation of alkaloid to produce characteristic color. Most of these reagents consist of carbon, H2SO4, compounds such as selenic acid, formaldehyde, etc. So common coloring reagents: Frohel's reagents, sodium molybdate; Morky reagent, formaldehyde plus H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4; Mandelin reagents, ammonium alvidate, concentrated sulfuric acid; Edelman's reagent, nitric acid, concentrated H2SO4; Mech's reagent, selenious acid, concentrated sulfuric acid; Weinberg's reagent, Ehrlich reagents, para-dimethyl amino benzaldehyde, DMAB, and concentrated sulfuric acid and traces of ferrichloride. Dragonodorf reagents, potassium bismuth iodide, widely used for spraying paper chromatography of many alkaloids. Conc nitric acid, conc sulfuric acid. Under standardized conditions, the intensity of color is in linear proportions to the concentrated. May be used in quantitative determination of that group of alkaloids. Example, blue color formed by ergot alkaloids with 1-Arcs reagents. The violet color formed by atropine in Vitalis test. So action of acid. Concentrated acid, it gives color with alkaloid as a result of dehydration to give anhydro or apoalkaloids. Production of apomorphine from morphine and apoatropine from atropine. Hydrolysis. For ester alkaloids such as cocaine and atropine, atropine plus water in acidic medium, tropine and tropic acid. Cocaine, water in acidic medium, scopolamine and benzoic acid, methyl alcohol. Elimination of methoxy groups, leaving a residue of hydroxyl base, codeine, quinine and papaverine. Now, dilute acid, formation of alkaloid salts. For preparation of alkaloid salt, cold dilute acid solution are used. So, action of alkali. Cold dilute alkali, alkaloid salt, free alkaloid base. Hot dilute alkali, alkaloid salt, hydrolysis of ester alkaloid. Heating with dry alkali, very concentrated alkaloidal salt. Decomposition and production of simple bases such as pyridine. So friends, needed tools: white lab coat, beaker 250 milliliter, test tube, rack for test tubes, test tube holder, porcelain dish, plastic droppers, lab goggles, lab towel, lab guide. So thank for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.